look at what we have here. Jay tied a string to Jared's tooth. It's very loose and it's on the verge of already coming out. But he thinks he's old school, so he tied a string to Jared's tooth and then connected it to his truck. I'm only moving that just so you guys don't see the license plate. And he's gonna pull off, so we're waiting. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, I can't look. I have to close my eyes. Look at his face. He's looking like. Let me get you. Where'd it go? Oh my god, where'd it go?